As our nation is in the midst of a great national debate and discussion about immigration reform, I can't think of a better way to hear the voices of young people. Let them tell us about immigrants that touch their lives in some way. So, cortos y fuertes, short and strong. It means short films, 3 minutes or less, and the strong comes from the strong voices of young people, some of which you'll hear about today.
Hi, my name is Dalia Perez. Immigration is a very important topic to me and to many of my classmates and also students at this school can relate because personally my parents are undocumented, and that is a very topic that affects me a lot because I want to make a change and focus on other problems that are affecting our community, and especially the big one here in the Westlake area. It's the immigration, and we did a documentary portraying the struggles of street vendors. And we noticed that the problem wasn't street vending, it was immigration and employment and other topics. The reason we did a documentary was because we think and believe that media is it's a great way to get in touch with other people. It doesn't matter what race, what religion, the heritage, that's how we portray our message through media, and that's why we decided to do a documentary.
Después de haber trabajado en este proyecto sobre inmigración, nuestro grupo se siente orgulloso de lo que hemos hecho porque creemos que hemos hecho una diferencia en nuestra comunidad, dando voces a los que no tienen voces en nuestras comunidades. Y después de eso, ojalá que podamos trabajar en nuevas problemas que afectan a nuestras comunidades y hacer cambio. Gracias.
Cortos y fuertes. Cortos y fuertes. All right, that's what we're all about. ¿Se puede? ¿Se puede? Sí se puede. 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 Thank you to everybody.